Keeping your website secure is crucial. In this video, I'll show you how to set up email alerts in WP Security Ninja so you get notified the moment a security vulnerability is detected on your site. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and find WP Security Ninja in the menu. Then, click on the Vulnerabilities tab to access your security reports. To make sure you're always informed, scroll down to the Email Alert Settings section. Check the box to enable email notifications and enter the email address where you want alerts to be sent. If you want multiple people to receive alerts, you can add on more emails separated by commas. Once enabled, WP Security Ninja will send you an email when a vulnerability is found. The email will include details about which plugin, theme, or WordPress version is affected, so you can take action right away. Once you receive an alert, the next step is to update the affected plugin, theme, or WordPress core version as soon as possible. After updating, run a new scan to confirm your site is secure. And that's it. You now know how to enable and customize email alerts for security vulnerabilities in WP Security Ninja. This ensures you're always informed and can take action quickly. Stay safe and keep your WordPress site protected.